Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. Today, we're going to explore the filters available on our lead board. Here we have the filter that you'll want to click on. Whether you're managing a large or small volume of leads, this is your starting point. With our CRM's advanced lead board filter, finding the right lead is just a few clicks away. Simply type in the keyword if you're searching for a specific lead. You can filter by mobile, email, phone number, lead ID, city, state, country, and more to refine your search. Start with the date range filter. You can quickly sort leads by day, week, or any custom period that is important to you. Once you've selected the date range, you have options such as leads added, last updated, or follow-up set within that range. If you are looking to track the performance or follow-ups of your team member, you can select leads by user, be it global or specific to India, then choose active leads or all leads. Additionally, you can select a particular stage to analyze leads assigned to a specific user. There's also an option to search leads in all stages or just the current stage. For example, if you want to find all quoted leads assigned to someone named Rahul and they are currently in the quoted stage, just select this option and search. You will find all the leads that are quoted and assigned to Rahul. Use the source filter to analyze your marketing channels. You can see which lead came from your website, ads, referrals, campaigns, or any other marketing channels. We also offer the option to search leads by status, such as warm, star leads, hot, pending, follow-ups, or cold. You can even combine multiple filters for precision targeting, like finding leads from Mumbai generated within a specific date range assigned to Rahul with a stage of deal won and sourced from a Facebook ad. These are the various ways you can search for a lead. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and guesswork. Enjoy fast-focused lead management powered by Groweon CRM. For more feature videos and details, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.